mga higala, welcome back to my channel. Karon mga higala, moadto mi sa bike shop magpa-repair mi sa bike sa akong anak kay na kuba iyang lingkuranan. So uyog mi mga higala. Hapit na mi maabot sa bike shop. Nagdali kay hapit na close. What time the close on it? 5. My goodness.
That's a Wells Fargo.
Oh, there is Wells Fargo.
Before the Walgreens.
I didn't say hello to the fireworks stores. They're back. Since when?
There is
Hey, the new
Biker Age.
Can't even see the sign. It's literally so small.
Oh my God, it's crowded.
See that crowded.
Why is they're not closing up?
There you go.
Coffee over here? Ooh, I want coffee.
Daghang tao din here. Daghang nagparking. Back up, back up. Okay. Go move more in there. And there is open. Okay mga higala, adto ta sulod. Tanaw tag bike. E-bike.
Now a truck leaves.
Okay, let's go. It's RJ's bike. Here it is. Okay, go. Look like we can tie this, honey.
Looks like we can fix it ourselves.
Yeah.
I don't understand why it turned. I know.
There it is. Here's the bike. This bike.
Fair enough. At least you can bolt it back up. Yeah,
Let me just take it for a few minutes and I'll put it up.
This e-bike. But this e-bike is 5,499. That is mountain bike.
Yeah, it's literally no thing.
There.
That's not.
Yep.
No,
But this 5,499 to the green one. That how much? Oh, look at this, 700.
7,000.
Oh, 7,000. 7,000. Look at that. They're so big.
They're not.
No, not
No, there's air in
patar.
there.
Not patar.
So why did you tell me to tell you changing?
Yeah. You said-
5,299.
Yeah, I thought you to ask.
Oh, have three for sale, 3,500. That's that RJ.
It's all in air. Every single one of these is air.
This 499. My goodness, so expensive. This 4,799. What? Huh?
Look at this one.
That? Oh, look at that. How much? Look at this.
I guess this bike's like 3,000.
3,000, maybe more than. Look at that. It's so big bike. This for sale 1,300 RJ.
This clamp
This
was
is
a
for
little
sale,
looser than
RJ.
I like it, so I just want to tighten this up a little bit.
$399 that red.
And now it's
It's $3.99. This e-bike up in the top. Wow. Oh, it's free, RJ. Free refer. Look at this. For sale, 2,300. 3,499. E-bike. Here's RJ. It's okay now, RJ? Okay, your bike? Yeah. Okay, mga higala. Og RJ. Testingan niya iyahang bike. There is RJ. Free refer. Slowly. There he is. Nindot diri kay og na kay mapalit ka diri bike kay libre. Free ang repair basta simple ra nga repair. Walay parts ang bayaran. Okay guys, we here now in the car again.
Kickstand seem okay, RJ?
What?
Is the kickstand okay?
It tight.
Yeah. Where we go now, Hannah?
We'll do the shopping now and then go.
Yeah, we go
Do
to
it all?
yeah.
So we're home, we're done.
Yep.
You wanna look
Okay.
at the, you wanna look at the splash park at least? I haven't seen that in like 38 years.
Never
Yeah.
look at it.
Okay, mga higala og
Turn on the AC.
It's on.
tanaw kami sa Plus Park kay si RJ gusto mo tanaw-tanaw og
We're gonna look at it.
madto mi sa grocery. Grocery mega may. So, let's go. Yep, so big. There you go. Go to Plus Park.
Look at them.
Yep, we look at if what's look like. Oh, so mini child grinder. Look at the. There's electric for Tesla charging.
Don't you love electric charging again?
And not like that Tesla.
I haven't tried it yet, so I don't know.
So expensive. Look at that. Have no the Tesla honey have no plate number.
On the front, some states still has front lights.
Yeah, look at people in there playing water.
Number of railroad.
Electric vehicles only. Here we go, the library here. And here is the plus pad.
Left.
There he
Let's
is.
go to my preschool.
Pre-pre.
Preschool.
My
Not,
preschool.
and it's unofficial. It's not really the preschool.
What's up,
Woman.
fitness?
Reading us a book, and I would keep moving up because I thought it was.
Okay, we're going to McDonald's. Here's McDonald's.
You got a free?
in
Did you
there.
get a free one? You have a double?
Look at RJ, the phone.
And I know it's sad that new McDonald's don't make clay places. Only the old McDonald's have clay places. That's sad. Don't you think?
It's okay that RJ.
It's sad.
We're not a baby no more to playing there. There is 7-Eleven.
You want 10 plain hamburgers?
Right. When? Today?
There is the window to pay in here. There is to
You
pick
ready to
up.
check the burgers? Quick check.
Yep.
Get ready.
There is window in there.
Do you have all the hamburgers?
Yeah.
Alright, just finishing those, but you have one on that side.
Oo. Not yet cooked.
You should go ahead. It shakes them up.
Yeah, there is the burgers. Plain are you look? Hamburger plain. Yes. No wait, let me see. Yeah. Okay, we're
Keep
now
it
in
up,
Vinco.
Lead-
There is Vinco.
Let's go over the list.
It's blueberry. Chicken wings. Chicken drumstick. Chicken breast. 8, 7. $8.32. This chili. Chips. TV dinners in here. Chicken. No, chicken. Let's go. We're going to eat. This hamburger buns. July 6, 7. Yun na lang. Okay mga higala, umunita rin sa gawas. O mangita papas. Nila ni Daddy yasa na parking. Oh, grabe ka in. Marag na adiri dapit Daddy. Naoran niya akong hindi palit. Yes. Grabe ka init, RJ.
They're recording her put groceries in the car.
Yep.
I wish there were these things in the back. If there were in the back, this would be me the whole entire time. If they had one of these things in the back, this is what I would be doing in the back.
There you go. So karon mga higala mo ato na butaw nursery kay palitaw bark. Okay mga higala og naabot na mi sa balay. Amo sa ning i butang among grocery sa sulod kay unya mo adto mi og nursery para makuha mig bark kay nay kulang sa
Transit authorities that set these targets unconstitutional. Biden's dangerous Title IX rewrite struck down. Several federal courts have now stricken this, where he's taken the provision that is supposed to protect women and women's sports and has turned it into a transgender provision. The court's opinion, in this case in Texas, authored by federal district judge Reed O'Connor, held that the Biden administration abandoned proper procedure by attempting to functionally rewrite Title IX of the Civil Rights Act in a way that shockingly transformed both the judge's American education usurps a major question from Congress. The EPA regulations that I talked about earlier, as the Heritage Foundation points out, no agency has come closer to claiming the Supreme Court recently struck down a similar attempt by the EPA versus EPA. Lawlessness. Lawlessness. 3 laws the Biden voter registration order could break. Biden's executive order, which he signed when he came into office, spurring on all government approach to registering voters, raised questions about whether the effort squares with a law prohibiting federal activity on federal property. The Hatch Act, since 1939, prevents what Biden is doing. He's using the bureaucracy to register Democrats. Here we have a left-wing group that's very proud of Biden. Biden has taken nearly 300 executive actions on immigration in his first year.
Init kay gawas mga higala mga ice cream muna.
Executive actions in his first year. Biden 300 executive actions, about 100 of them dealing with immigration for the purpose of destroying 50 years of immigration law. 50 years of
Okay mga higala ug wala mi nakadto sa nursery karon mga higala kay close na. So basin sa sunod na lang siguro semana. So karon mag-miss ta mga higala kay hapon na o gabi na murag 8:30 na. Bisa na to ning mga tanom og ang akong garden pod dito akong garden. Grabe ka init ganina mga higala. Mga higala arita din. So mga higala, akong gikuha ang nagsanga-sanga sa mais kay di man gyud siya katarong og pamuso, basta magdouble ang iyang punuan. Uy, pangkuha man siya kasi garden. Kung ibis-bisan kay grabe kainit. Pinaaga sa yuta. Ano siya? So kung ipanguha para makapamasag tarang. Gamay ra kong mais kay wala na binhi. Okay mga higala, that's it for video for today mga higala. I'll see you next time. Bye!